That's
He said
why.
you've been a good girl, so he give you all these presents. Oh, Santa Claus dropped him off at the hotel for you.
The hotel and told me, can you deliver this
He left
prize
one
to
more.
the Misa? Yes, there's
Wow.
more.
My God. Did you know that, Lamaisa? So who come? Some big fat man came. Who
Yes,
came? Who is it?
with the big beard.
And what was his name?
I think his name is Santa Claus.
Khan, they said he made a video where he gives Christmas gifts to his daughter, saying that those Christmas gifts are from Santa Claus. Firstly, this is deception. But why is it deception? Making your daughter believe that Santa Claus actually exists when there is no such entity as Santa Claus. In fact, Santa Claus has its origins in Nordic tradition, even though they named Santa Claus after a Christian saint who was born in Turkey. The concept of the idea is from the Nordic tradition, from pagan traditions. So I would like to say, Amir Khan, stick to your boxing, but do not talk with regard to religion. Leave religion to its experts. Uh, Meaning you have a glass chin when it comes to boxing, your glass chin will exist also in the religious field. So do not take that personally in any way or form.